So here we have our MDT Crush It timer. What this is a shooter timer. You would use this typically in a PRS competition or a timed competition. I use it personally in a 90-second stage. I'll set it to 90 seconds. Here I have it set up for 2 seconds, or 2 minutes. The cool thing about this is you can clamp it on the rifle multiple ways. It's set up for a remote start, so you can use a remote switch similar to a flashlight switch or laser indicator switch that you would use with a standard plug on the back. So if you want that, it has a standard plug on the back, so you could actually remote, put in a wire and hit it with your thumb. For me, I don't want to reach up while I'm trying to hold a bipod or hold a tripod and a bag and a rifle and all this stuff. I don't want to reach up and try and hit it, right? I just hit the button on the side of my rifle and start it. So it's configurable left, right, upside down, but here I have it set up for 2 minutes. We hit the start button. It gives you an audible that it's starting, and then it does a countdown. What I found is a lot of times you don't have the time to focus, like to take my eyes off the target, off acquiring the target, which is where a lot of your time is in competition rifle shooting, to look at this and look back. It's about 3 to 4 seconds for your mind to focus on this, okay, process, go back, focus on the target, process, and then start your shooting sequence, right? I can stay on target and stay in my shooting sequence, and audibly this will count down and give me a beep beep, and I never have to look at it. So it comes with a standard setting is halfway through the time set. You can set the time in either minutes or minutes and seconds or just seconds, right? So if you want it for 90 seconds, you can do 1 minute 30 seconds, or you can set it for 90 seconds. Kind of cool, because some people get lost in that whole 105, how many minutes and seconds is that, right? So there it just beeped 4 times. That's halfway through my time cycle. So I know at that point in a PRS stage, I should be approximately halfway through my course of fire. If I'm behind, I know I might need to step up a little bit, right? But the cool thing is I have it set at 20 seconds. It's going to beep twice, right? 2 long tones that it's going to get my attention. And I'm like, okay, in 20 seconds, I can shoot any stage, any position, and I can fire 2 rounds with no problem. I can move and fire 2 rounds in my 20 seconds. Easy. So when it gets down to 20, like right now, it's going to give me 2 beeps. Audibly, I hear that. Hear that with hearing protection in. I can change the volume. If my hearing doesn't hear that tone, I can change to a different tone. I had 1 long tone there at 10 seconds, and listen to this countdown. 5, 4. Right? So, more importantly, it's not